Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Sagnick Dutta. I'm a second professional MBBS student at Burdwan Medical College and Hospital, West Bengal. In this video, I'll take you through a week in my life leading up to my final second professional MBBS examination. And it is a whirlwind of hustle, bustle, and a dash of panic as well. So stay tuned till the end and enjoy this video. And if you are new to this channel, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with anyone who might find this enjoyable as well. Hi everybody, this is Sagnick Dutta. I'm a soon to be third year MBBS student at Burdwan Medical College and Hospital, West Bengal. And today is 5th of March, and exactly 14 days from now, that is from 19th of March, I'll have my second year final board examinations. And it is actually that time of the year when every other medical student is completely panicked. No matter how much they have studied the entire year, it is at this time of the year when they seem to forget every other thing that they have studied throughout the year. And my case is no difference. So in this video, you will see me, a second professional MBBS student who is going to be in his third year, prepare for his university examinations the week just before the examinations. So without much ado, let us get into the video. Okay, so first things first, the first thing that I actually need to do now is to create a routine and timeline for myself about the chapters that I have already completed, the things that I need to revise, the things that I need to solve the PYQs of, and every other thing bit of that. And this routine and timeline needs to be very particular at this point of time when I will have the detailed description of everything that I need to do every single day at every single moment. As I kick-started the week, setting up my study table and making plans was crucial. Okay, so the basic target is to actually complete the paper 2 of all the subjects, that is pharma, patho, and micro. Because if you can see in the routine, I have got paper 2 of all the subjects just on the subsequent day of paper 1. So I'll be getting around just a night's time to complete and revise the paper 2 of all the subjects. So it's better that I complete the paper 2 of all the subjects first and then go for the paper 1 revision, so that I'll have a better hand in completing all of those first. Now, if I talk about a subject in particular, then microbiology turns out to be at a most cumbersome place and position, because I have just one day before the micro examination. As compared to that, I have around 5 days before the pharmacology examination. So, if I just talk about pharmacology, then I'll be able to complete every single chapter and every single bit in those 5 days before the pharma examination. But for microbiology, it would be really difficult. So, my target is to complete the entire microbiology now at this point of time, and then go for pathology and then microbiology. It's not that I'll be completing it sequentially. I'll taking up all the three subjects together, but I'll be completing more chapters of micro and patho as compared to pharma. So today's target is to complete the previous year questions of the general microbiology and hospital acquired infections and some clinical microbiology as well. And apart from that, I'll be solving and reading immunity from both microbiology and pathology, because it's a common topic. So without much ado, let us get studying. I dove straight into solving previous year questions for general microbiology. Trust me, these questions are gold mines for exam preparation. Microbiology covers a wide array of topics from general bacteriology to virology, parasitology, and mycology. To keep myself motivated, I indulged in some episodes of Shark Tank India while bookmarking the key concepts and system wise organisms of microbiology. Later in the day, I delved into the complexities of the immunity and the human immune system, a topic not to be taken lightly. Good morning, everybody. It's day 2, that is March 6th, and today's basic plan is to complete the cardiovascular system related organisms from microbiology, complete the cardiovascular system from pathology, and complete the gastrointestinal system from pharmacology. Now, one thing that I actually realized recently, that is yesterday, that the profs are of much fun actually, because we are at a constant position where we are worrying about our exams, we are very anxious, and at the same time we feel happy that we have completed a lot of portions. And profs देने में मज़ा आता है क्योंकि most of the syllabus are completed, our books are already marked, सिर्फ highlight करना होता है कि कौन सा चीज़ important है, सिर्फ revision कर रहे होते हैं. It's all about just filling in the spaces between the things that have completed and the things are not yet completed. So it's just about filling in the gaps in between, and it's so much interesting and it feels so easy and relaxing when we have actually completed the things. So profs in it are of much interest as compared to the other semester exams, जहाँ हमारे पास 10-15 चैप्टर्स होते हैं सिलेबस में, हम सिर्फ 8-10 करके चले जाते हैं एंड वी फील कॉन्फिडेंट. लेकिन प्रॉफ में वो नहीं होता एंड वी नीड टू वर्क आवर हार्ट आउट टू एक्चुअली कंप्लीट दिस सिलेबस and we feel great about it actually. So without much ado, let us start today's study session. Day 2 revolved around tackling the previous year questions of immunity, reinforcing the knowledge from the day before.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.
Then it was time to delve into the daunting world of HIV, or the human immunodeficiency virus, highlighting its severity and precautions.
Every shot from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake
And of course, a quick Maggie break to refuel.
so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts.
Later in the day, I also dedicated time to study Salmonella, which basically causes typhoid in human beings, understanding its prevalence and impact, particularly on children. Starting fresh on day 3, I revisited the autonomic nervous system, recognizing its paramount importance for pharmacology. Good morning, everybody. It's March 8th, and today in the morning, I just completed the autonomic nervous system, and now I'll just start doing the diuretics, which is basically the renal system, and then I'll do the respiratory system. And apart from doing all these three subjects, I need to solve the previous year questions of these three chapters as well. And there is one more important thing that I need to positively do today, and that is to make a list of the YouTube videos and write their scripts that I need to shoot and post for the upcoming month, because I'll be busy for my exams for the next one complete month. So I don't want to miss out on the algorithm. So I'll just keep it updated. So without much ado, let's get started. The satisfaction of completing the planned tasks are unparalleled. Next up, I took a deep dive into the diuretics to round out the day. Day 4 coincided with the Shivratri celebrations outside, which prompted me to focus on the autonomic nervous system before catching up on the rest. Good morning, everybody. It's March 9th. That is the next day. Yesterday, I completed doing and solving the previous year questions of the autonomic nervous system. So, today's basic plan is to complete the previous year questions of the respiratory system and the renal system. And if possible, I'll just complete the gastrointestinal system as well. But the first thing that I have started out with today is to do my leftover job for YouTube. Yesterday I had already completed making up the scripts, but today I'm just editing a few videos and I'm doing the voiceovers of certain videos as well, because I don't really want to miss out on the algorithm, because I'm just starting out with this video. I've reached almost a 200 subscribers now, so I just want to carry it on with full strength so that I just don't miss out on the algorithm. By the way, if you are just wondering which video I'm now working on, is about my recent trip to the Andaman and the Nicobar Islands with my family. And if you have not seen the video yet, you can just click on the link on the I button and watch the video as well. So, without much ado, let us get doing today's work. So, before we actually get doing things, I hope you can understand that it takes a lot of time and effort to create all these videos so diligently. So, if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and even consider sharing this video with your friends and family as well. So, let's go. Now, balancing study with the YouTube work, I emphasized and I learned the importance of consistency for success. So, on that note, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and support this amazing journey called life. with determination, day 5 was all about completing hematology in pathology. From the red blood cell disorders like anemia to the white blood cell disorders including leukemias and lymphomas, and platelet disorders like the von Willebrand disease, hematology is a cornerstone chapter for both MBBS as well as the NEET PG preparations.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light.
Hi everybody. So this was a week in my life, and as medical students, just before the exams, we study this much and at times even more. But in usual cases, we don't study this much. We enjoy a lot and we travel a lot as well. If you have not seen one of my travel vlogs where I visited Andaman and Nicobar Islands with my parents, you can just go and click on the I button and watch that as well. And I hope you like this video. If you do, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends and family, whoever might like them as well. And there you have it, a week in the life of a medical student before the second professional MBBS examination. A blend of study, motivation, and a touch of celebration. Remember, consistency is the key on this journey. If you enjoyed this glimpse, do not forget to subscribe for more insights and support the journey as well. Until next time, keep striving for excellence.